So on Silvercorp Metals, your market cap is currently 520 million roughly. And you guys are sitting on 200 and over 213 million in cash. And your investments in your other companies like New Pacific Metals and several others adds up to another 164. So it's almost like you're getting silver. What is Silvercorp producing now? 6 or 7 million ounces a year in silver, and you've got over 100 million ounces of reserves. It's like you're getting Silvercorp almost for free, right? Let's walk us through these numbers.
Yeah, I mean it's pretty simple and shocking math. If you look at that and you back the 520, if you take 520 market cap and you back out that cash and the market value of investments, that leaves you with 135 million. And as you pointed out, those mines that generated 6.1 million ounces of silver as well as lead and zinc last year produced operating cash flow of 107 million. So those are that's a pretty good number.
Yeah, so Silvercorp is literally trading almost at 1x operating cash flow.
Yeah, and if you wanted to be more conservative and trim back and look and say that free cash flow in that year was 45 million, and that's capital required to put back into the mines, but also some growth plans. If you factored all of that in and looked at the free cash flow, we're trading at 3x free cash flow. So not a bad payback on your investment.
It's like you could almost, I mean, the share buybacks, you could almost buy back the whole company within 3 or 4 years if you wanted to, right?
Well, exactly. But as we've chatted about in the past, we have some plans, and we think we can do some good things with that cash. So,
Yeah.
I'm
just trying to point out how ridiculously cheap
absolutely.
the stock is at this point. The market is not giving credit for what a well-managed company this is. A company that pays dividends every year and does share buybacks pretty regularly, correct?
Well, we've kind of let up a bit on the share buybacks because of the idea of doing something with that cash. And
yeah,
and the last time we did something was in 2020, and I think we found a deep value asset, came close to acquiring it, but ultimately we attracted some other bidders that were prepared to pay quite a bit more than we were. So we had to back away from that and walk away with 20 million in break fees and gains on our investment in that one. So we'd like to do that again, though, but this time we'd like to obviously close the deal and walk away with a new growth asset that we can add and obviously generate more returns for shareholders.
Yeah, sounds good. Let us know. We'll be following this one closely over the next year.